Hi, I'm Chef Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to go over the types of pots and pans that you might have in your cupboards and what you would use them for. So please give us a like and subscribe if you would like to keep up with the videos that we're making. So I'm going to start with the most basic stainless steel non-stick pot. So this is a new one, it's not scratched at all, and we keep it that way by only using silicone or plastic on it. Never use a metal utensil on one of these surfaces or you'll scratch it and then you're going to have to re-season it. This is mostly stainless steel, so what that means is that it's going to heat up fairly quickly, but the heat distribution is not the greatest. It might have hot spots in it and it might burn your stuff pretty quickly because of the fact that it will heat up so quickly. Like I said, the most important thing about that is to not use your metal utensils on it. So this is also stainless steel. This is a pot that I have here. Stainless steel, no non-stick, so you can use metal on this. You don't have to worry about scratching it. It does have a quick heat up situation. However, I don't know if you can tell, there's a little bit of a plate on the bottom so that it helps insulate it a little bit more. So that does help with the heat distribution. So you shouldn't have hot spots on this one. It will take a little bit longer to heat up than the thinner pots, but it is stainless steel, so it will heat up pretty quickly. This is also stainless steel, but it's got the copper bottom, and the copper bottom helps it heat up even quicker, but it also helps insulate the stainless steel part to help with the even cooking. So this shouldn't have hot spots on it. It's not non-stick, so you don't have to worry about scratching the inside. You can use the metal scrubbies to clean it. And your metal utensils, you can also use plastic on these or silicone, but you don't have to worry about it. Okay, here is another non-stick, or it was, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see. There's quite a few dents in it, but this also has the plate on the bottom, so it will heat up evenly and help for heat distribution, but no metal goes in this. You can put almost anything in these containers that I've shown you. You don't have to worry about things leaching out or anything like that. If you are using the non-stick and you do scratch it with metal, that non-stick will come off in your food, so you don't have to worry about that tainting your food. And then we have copper. Copper is great. It heats up pretty fast, has great even heat distribution. However, you cannot use any sort of super acid in this because it will leach at your copper and it will mess up your food. So you don't ever want to have to deal with that, and it will mess up your pot completely. These are great because they can go straight from your stovetop to the oven, and you don't ever have to worry about it. And then I forgot to get it out, but let me get it out now. Is cast iron. Cast iron is great because it's super heavy, thick. It takes a long time to heat up, but it will stay heated once you get it there. It's mostly, usually they come pre-seasoned. If they don't, then you can find a YouTube video or a Pinterest tutorial on how to season them fairly quickly. I also did one in my egg video on how to season a pan quickly. These are great because they can also go from stovetop into the oven. You don't have to worry about acids or anything like that. However, when you go to wash your cast iron pot, do not ever put it in a sink full of soapy water. You should just take a washcloth. You can add a little bit of dish soap to it, but not too much. Don't ever use an SOS pad or a Brillo pad. It will get into the little cracks and crevices, and there's no guarantee that you're gonna get that out. Also, steel wool I would stay away from because it will also get caught in there and then get in your food. So those are some explanations as to what you would use your pots and pans for or not to use them for, and how to keep them in good condition. So I hope you give us a like and subscribe.